Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do a video of how to swap out a flush valve on the back of a toilet. So today we're inside of a 9-station luxury restroom trailer, and we're going to go inside and show you the flush valve. So your flush valve is connected to the back of your toilet. So if you look down here, you have your water line, and it's connected back to this plastic piece. So you want to make sure that your water's off. You can do that by shutting that valve, and you're going to want to disconnect the toilet from the flush valve. So you will need a flathead screwdriver or a pair of channel lock pliers to help pry that open. Sometimes it helps to have a heat gun to loosen the pecs a little bit, and that slides off pretty easily. So I have a toilet unit outside of the stall. Makes it a little bit easier to show you how to do this. So with the water line attached, once you've taken off your PEX clamp, and you'll need a flathead screwdriver, you'll just take that in there and it'll just pop right off. You may want to have a second one just in case it breaks, or you can use a pipe clamp. You'll need that to reattach. So that'll slide off, and then you want to disconnect your water line. So once you get that disconnected, the flush valve is this piece here. It is just held in place by one flathead screwdriver. So once you just disconnect that, this is the unit that you're going to have. So this is the flush valve right here. So to take it out, you'll take out that screw, and then there's a clip just like that right there in the bottom. You just want to press with the screwdriver and pop up that clip. To remove the flush valve from the water line, you're going to want to take a pair of pliers or a screwdriver and just pop off that clamp. Now that most likely will not be able to be reused a second time. That's why you'll need the pipe clamp. So at that point, you're ready to reattach. You'll take the screw and it just sits in just like that. You'll push it in, making sure that your little pin will pop into place, and then tighten down the screw that holds it into place. So at that point, once your flush valve is connected, you're going to want to reattach your water line. You'll just tighten that down and reattach. You'll take your pliers, reattach the clamp, and it'll click into place. So flush valves, they're just a plastic piece. They're very susceptible to freezing. It's a good idea to have a few of these handy, just in case you do get a call from an event that they have discovered a leak. As you can see from the video, pretty easy to replace. Doesn't take a lot of time. Better to have them on hand than have to order them and wait. Be sure to give us a call. If you need it, we can provide you with a full spare parts list and where to get these products.